10 American jobs AI will replace before 2030. Imagine this. You're sleeping, but your bank account is growing. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. Artificial intelligence is already transforming the way we work, live, and even make money. But here's the catch. While some people are getting richer thanks to AI, others might find their jobs disappearing completely. So the big question is, which jobs in America are at the highest risk of being replaced by AI before 2030? Stay tuned, because today we're breaking down the 10 American jobs AI will replace, and more importantly, what that means for you. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we talk about money, technology, and the future of work. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Today's video is all about the 10 American jobs AI will replace before 2030. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. So what exactly do we mean by AI replacing jobs? In simple words, it means AI systems and robots are taking over human tasks, doing them faster, cheaper, and often more accurately. Think about it. Companies want efficiency. If a robot or an AI program can do the job of 10 people for half the cost, guess what's going to happen? Let's make this real with a few quick examples. You've probably seen self-checkout machines at grocery stores replacing cashiers. Or maybe you've chatted with a customer service bot online instead of speaking with a human. Or even used voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, which are replacing roles that once needed actual people. If it's happening in small ways today, imagine where we'll be by 2030. Now let's break down the 10 jobs most at risk of being replaced by AI before 2030. 1. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines and mobile payment systems are everywhere. By 2030, most stores may use AI-powered checkout systems, fewer human cashiers, more automation. Think Amazon Go stores, where you just grab your items and walk out, and AI charges you automatically. 2. Customer service representatives. Tired of waiting on hold? Companies are too. That's why AI chatbots are taking over. From answering your bank questions to resetting your password, AI does it faster and cheaper than humans. By 2030, most first-level support jobs may disappear. 3. Truck and delivery drivers. Self-driving technology is advancing fast. Tesla, Waymo, and other companies are testing autonomous trucks that can drive long highways without rest. By 2030, many truckers and delivery drivers could be replaced by AI-powered fleets. 4. Data entry clerks. If your job is to type numbers into spreadsheets, here's the truth. AI can do it instantly, with no mistakes. That's why data entry clerks are on the chopping block. 5. Telemarketers. Cold calling, sales pitches, AI voices already sound human. Combine that with data-driven targeting, and suddenly, companies don't need telemarketers anymore. 6. Bank tellers. How often do you go inside a bank these days? With mobile banking, ATMs, and AI-powered virtual assistants, physical tellers are becoming obsolete. By 2030, most banks will be almost fully digital. 7. Warehouse workers. Amazon already uses robots to move products in warehouses. AI-driven machines are getting smarter, picking, packing, and shipping with little human involvement. This doesn't mean all warehouse jobs vanish, but many could. 8. Paralegals and legal assistance law firms are using AI to scan contracts and legal documents. What used to take weeks, AI can do in minutes. This doesn't mean lawyers disappear, but support staff like paralegals are at risk. 9. Fast food workers. Ever seen a robot making burgers or a kiosk taking your order? McDonald's, Wendy's, and others are already testing AI-powered kitchens. By 2030, you may walk into a restaurant where AI cooks and serves your meal. 10. Journalists and copywriters. Scary but true. AI can already write news summaries, blogs, and ads. Some media outlets are using AI to generate sports recaps and stock reports. By 2030, content jobs will shift. People won't disappear, But writers who don't learn to use AI may get left behind. Now here's the twist. AI won't just take jobs, it will also create new ones. For every cashier that disappears, new jobs pop up in AI engineering, robot maintenance, data science, and ethics management. So the truth is, AI won't replace humans. AI will replace humans who refuse to adapt. The winners of the future will be the people who learn how to work with AI, not against it. Let's take a step back and think long-term. By 2030, millions of low-skill jobs could vanish, but high-skill jobs that require creativity, empathy, and leadership will rise. And individuals who embrace AI tools in their careers will be ahead of the curve. So if you're watching this video today, the best thing you can do is start learning how AI impacts your field before it's too late. But I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will make work better, or will it just take jobs away? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one of them. If this video is opening your eyes, hit that like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more videos coming on how to survive and thrive in the age of AI. So here's the bottom line. By 2030, AI is going to reshape the American workforce forever. Yes, jobs will be lost, but opportunities will also explode. The real question is, are you going to resist the change or ride the wave? The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to know what's coming. Because the future of work isn't waiting for anyone. It's happening right now. See you in the next one.